Hey, Mongoose Mike here. I'm going to do a quick walk around of this brand new Mongoose Model 184 LT, 18 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI sewer jetter. Just like with our other 184, you can see right from the start, cast iron, bulldog hitch, heavy duty, none of that thin metal stuff that needs to be replaced every year or so. You got your partial shroud covering your engine. That engine is a Kohler 49 horsepower turbo diesel, which also sports the best warranty in its class, the most efficient in its class, and it is also the quietest diesel in its class. Very, very nice engine. Udor, 18 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI pump with pulsation valves, an air purge system. Obviously your filter is here. This one has the antifreeze winterization system on it, fire hydrant hose fill system with a garden hose adapter. So if you fill with a garden hose, you just attach your garden hose right there. And as you can see, it's an open frame design. This particular one has two front opening aluminum toolboxes on it. It comes standard with one. You can add the second. A couple of a penetrator nozzle, a flushing nozzle, tiger tail. Comes with a sled, remote control, amber strobe light. It is also turns 180 degrees, 90 degrees both directions. This is on a grease sleeve, so you got just two little grease zerts in there to keep lubed. This one has the LED floodlight on it as well, which is also an option. 1/4 inch mini reel. You can have a 1/4 inch mini reel. You can put an 1/8 inch mini reel on this side, or you can have no mini reels. You can have both, whatever you want. This thing also sports the same heavy duty one-piece hose reel that is on our other 184. You don't have to worry about it coming apart, and it's also very thick, very heavy duty steel manufactured at our plant in Dixon, Illinois. This unit can be operated by remote control, which best remote control in the industry. This remote control allows you to water on, water off, pressure increase. I don't know if you can see that, pressure increase, pressure decrease. And when you pressure increase, it just goes up in increments of 1,000. So you go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4. You don't have to worry about controlling your throttle or where it's going to stop. It'll set it right where you want it. Also has a kill switch. No batteries for the remote. It sits right on that charging plate. And as you can see, when you put it on the charging plate, a little battery icon will show up and tell you how much battery you have left. Also, if you ever go to use your remote control and you have less than 10% battery, it will give you a warning so that you don't start jetting and then find out that your battery needs to be charged. It'll let you know. On your control panel here, you've got your digital gauge for your pressure, your fuel gauge. And then, of course, down here, you got all your controls. This is for your amber strobe, for your floodlight, for your remote or dash, and then water on, water off, if you choose to operate the jetter from right here at the control panel. This is your pay in and pay out for your hose reel. You can also bypass it, lock it in the lower place, and free spin the hose reel if you like. You also have control of your hydraulics here, so you can control the speed of your hydraulic hose reel going in and out. And then also a flow control valve. So if you're going to hook this up to, say, your 1/4 or your 1/8 inch hose, you can dial back the flow so you don't over pressurize, because you're not going to push 18 gallons a minute through an 1/8 inch hose, obviously. It's got recirculation fittings. You can also push your antifreeze back to your reservoir tank after each use and save your antifreeze. 815-677-5106 or email me at mikedenison@mongoosejetters.com.